Hi folks, I'm attorney Roger P. Foley, criminal defense attorney, and today I'm going to talk to you about Florida Statute 806.01. What is that? I'm going to talk to you about arson. There are two different types of arson. Generally, there's arson in the first degree, arson in the second degree. What does that mean to you? What's the primary difference? Well, one's a first degree felony, one's a second degree felony. One is punishable by up to 30 years Florida State Prison. The other one is punishable by up to 15 years in Florida State Prison. So what's the difference? How do you know which one you're being charged with? Well, the information would surely tell you that. That's the legal document, a legal charging document. But for our purposes here, the main difference is whether or not there are persons inside of the structure, whether it be a car, a boat, a tent, a building, a private residence. If there are persons inside that property when the fire was started, you're looking at arson in the first degree, facing up to 30 years prison. If there are no people, and let's say you lit some structure on fire, it's a second degree felony and you're facing 15 years. What's important to know about arson is it's one of the most serious crimes that you can be charged with. Murder, rape, arson. That's how the legislature views it. I mean, it's a very serious crime. Now, teenagers, kids, sometimes they see a big dumpster and they go, oh, it might be fun, and they throw a match in there. Lights it up. You're looking at arson. You're looking at serious penalties, not only financial penalties. You're looking at prison. So if you're charged with the crime of arson, there are defenses. There's a lot of technical things that go into arson, and the prosecutor needs to prove several things. And just to give you the quick lowdown on what they need to do, just a quick 1, 2, 3, 4, that you damaged the structure, right, by fire or explosion, that the damage was either done willfully or unlawfully. I'm sorry, willfully and unlawfully. Obviously, if you did it willfully, it was unlawfully. And done in the commission of a crime. That the fire burned the structure, dwelling, or institution normally occupied, and you had a reason to believe the structure was occupied by human beings. That's a lot of things that they got to prove. Well, maybe you thought the building was abandoned. Maybe you were doing you did something. Maybe you started a fire, but maybe you did it accidentally. Maybe you were playing with matches and you caught a fire. Well, that's not intentional. Now, you may have started a small fire, or you may have started a barbecue pit, in the backyard. There are defenses to arson, but it's a very serious crime. If you've been charged, if investigators or fire marshals are contacting you, stop speaking now. Pick up your phone and dial 561-746-7076 and ask for me, attorney Roger P. Foley, and I will guide you through the process. Thanks for listening.